Hey guys, in this video we're going to inspect the ceramic valve that gives the fault F77 on the Miele coffee machine. So you need to remove the unit from the installation and disassemble the unit. On the side is a cover, so once you remove the cover, there are 3 screws to remove from. Once you remove the cover, it will show you the ceramic valve. Now in here, if this valve is faulty, and most likely it is this valve here, the ceramic valve, that is faulty, giving you the error F77. And this is what it looks like. Now, in some cases, the 2 black switches in this valve is faulty, so all you have to do is replace the switch. So we need to pull out the wire here, and we need to disconnect them. Once you disconnect the wires, you can take out the ceramic valve and then remove the switch. Once you remove the switch, you can buy a replacement. So this is what it sounds like when we turn on the machine. Now this can be a little bit tricky to remove, so if you are not up to the task, maybe it's best if you get a service technician to come and replace the ceramic valve to fix the F77 error. Thank you for watching.